Good day, class. In today's lesson, we'll be talking about angles between lines and triangles. So I want to solve a problem on that. Before you can solve a problem on that, especially this one on the board, you must understand a concept called exterior angle and interior angles, and sum of angle on a triangle. The sum of angle in a triangle is 180 degrees, and the sum of angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. So if we look at the question on the board, in the diagram, STUV is a straight line. Angle TSY is equal to angle USY, and it's equal to 40 degrees as seen in the diagram. And angle VUW is equal to 110. Calculate angle TYW. This angle. We have to calculate TYW. Let's call it small y. That's what they asked us to find. So, but before you can calculate that angle, we know that angle WSU is a triangle. And this angle here, let's call this small w. The addition of 40 and w will give us 110 from triangle SWU. Why? Exterior angle, which is of 110, is outside this triangle SWU, is equal to the sum of these two interior angles. So we say from triangle XWU, 40 degrees plus W equals to 110 degrees. What's the reason? Exterior angle of a triangle, or externally a triangle, is equals to sum of the two opposite interior angle. So this is the interior angle, 40 and W is an exterior angle to 110. So we have 40, we say W equals to 110 minus 40 degrees, and that will give you 70 degrees. So this place here now is 70 degrees. There's another one now. When we consider triangle, look at it now. When we consider triangle X and YXW, YXW is an exterior angle to the two angles of, let's call this angle A and 40 is an exterior angle to triangle YXW. The exterior angle to it is 70. So we say from triangle XYW, angle A plus 40 will give us 70 degree exterior angle of a triangle is equals to sum of the two opposite interior angle. So our A will be 70 minus 40 degrees. Our A will be what? 30 degrees. So this place here now is 30 degrees. So we know that A and Y, this A and small y, they are on a straight line. Sum of angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. So we say 30, similarly, 30 degrees plus y equals to 180 degrees. Sum of angle on the straight line. So y will be equals to 180 minus 30. So y is equals to 150 degrees. So this our y, which is equivalent to angle TYW equals to 150 degrees. I hope you have gained something in my video today. See you for more educative video. Bye!